Family likeness isn't strong, still you won't poke fun. All of you must get along. He's a special son. All right, children, come along, but stay close behind me or you may get trodden on. And beware of the cats.
Look at him, legs are bendy and the knees are numbed. Look at him, that was obviously eggshell shocked. But the neighbors scream and howl when they see our brood. He's the foulest waterfowl. Why are you so rude?
Hello, Maureen. Hello, Ida. Hello, Drake. What a splendid brood. Did that big egg hatch out of a... Look at him. Come on, Ida, tell me what went wrong. Look at him. Did you leave him in the egg too long? I admire you for your pluck, strictly ingenue. He may be no pin-up duck, neither dear are you. I must be going. I heard the children from the farmhouse are doing Frenchmen into the water. It sounds pretty chic. I wouldn't talk to Miss Ent. Look at you, look at me, what's it matter? Why do I make you all laugh and scoff?
Have you seen your reflection?
Why can't we play with the fishes?
Because you scared them off. Look at him, don't you think he is a bit extreme? The more parents will start quivering.
Just a variation on a theme. I don't want to see my son left out on a limb. Why is it that everyone has to hear?
There's who has to dare. Look at him.
Peck, 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 I hate to be picky, but the dog peck, peck looks a little bit dicky. Look at him, brah! Did you ever see a pig with wings? Look at him, brah! Don't you next to the strangest things? Though the thought may yawn to feel, break the ties that bind. If you gave that cat a meal, nobody would mind.
Line up everyone and shot one to the front. Look at him. He's an ugly one, there is no doubt. Go, 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 go. Look at him. Does he have his giblets inside out? Go, go, go. What else would explain his looks being quite so rough? How on earth will God make cooks know which end to stuff? You don't see the difference. Look at him, look at us with a man. Sometimes we find it is kinder if some eggs never hatch. Look at him, still a duckling, but there's so much more. Look at him, finest cat food that I ever saw. Better still, he won't be missed. They think he's a flop. Maybe they'll let me assist, giving him the chop. In a moment you shall be presented to her grace, the most distinguished duck of the lake. She was once paired with a Matinee, and if you will notice, she's a red band of cloth around her leg. That is the greatest distinction a duck can enjoy. It means she's looked up to by both men and animals.
Now don't turn your toes in. Just bow your heads politely and say quack. Quack.
Quack.
Quack.
Look at him, now he's ruining a photograph.
Just imagine how he's feeling. Mother Nature must have had a laugh. In a way, he's quite appealing.
A relation one should settle. He's talking in forever. He does so. He really is an ugly one. So
He's my son and I love him. Don't you see what you've done? You're to blame.
What do you mean? Why, I look nothing like him. I'm a self-basing, self-boasting, fine private specimen with wonderful spurs. As for that, I wouldn't use it to stuff a duvet with.
Speaking of stuffing, Turkey, I don't think you'll be so full of yourself come Thanksgiving.
Oh, I hate that word.
What word? Stuffing?
No, Thanksgiving.
Congratulations, Ita, that's delightful. Thank you, Your Grace. Say, that big chappie at the back, whatever happened there? He's not your classic featured porcelain now, is he? No, I just wish the others would stop making fun of him. He'll turn out all right as he gets older. Well, the others all triumph, my dear. I only wish I could have produced a brood of my own. Yes, I was so sorry to hear about that, Your Grace. You must miss him terribly. He was a fine duck, the mandarin, but alas, he became crispy and aromatic before his time. But life must go on. Now, where has Murray got to with that French bread? You have to try it. It's much better than the usual stuff. Even the crusts are nice.
I'll try a dabble. I suppose I have room for a little gobble gobble.
Oh yes, it's delicious. Come on, kids, try this. Make way for the red-banded duck. Ita, dear, you really are going to have to do something about that hole.